Google's new TV streamer is a big upgrade. It's not just for watching videos, it also controls your smart home. This puts Google back in the competition with Amazon, Roku and Apple. After weeks of hands-on testing, I'm ready to share my verdict on this powerful little device. So let's dive right in. The new Google TV streamer replaces the Chromecast with Google TV, Google's first real smart TV box in years. It's a full-fledged device, not just a simple casting tool. This means it competes directly with Roku, Amazon Fire TV and Apple TV. Unlike older Chromecasts or most Roku or Fire TV sticks, the streamer isn't a small plug-in. It's a bit bigger and designed to sit out in the open. Now, Google says this improves Wi-Fi and smart home device connections. The Google TV Streamer 4K comes in sleek, minimalist packaging. Now, inside you'll find the streamer itself, a compact and ergonomic remote, a power adapter, and some quick start guides. Setup was ridiculously easy. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect your Wi-Fi, and follow the on-screen prompts. Within minutes, I was navigating the intuitive Google TV interface and exploring a world of content. The Google TV interface is a revelation. It's clean, organised and incredibly user-friendly. Instead of being bombarded with a jumble of apps, Google TV presents personalised recommendations based on your viewing habits. It seamlessly integrates all your streaming subscriptions, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, you name it, into one unified experience. Now, searching for a specific movie or show is a breeze, and the voice search feature is remarkably accurate. Google TV also integrates live TV with over 800 free channels, depending on location, from popular live TV apps such as Tubi, Pluto TV and more. The Google TV Streamer 4K delivers stunning 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second, supporting Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HDR10+ with Dolby Atmos audio. It features 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage and connects via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1 or a gigabit Ethernet. Running Google TV OS, it integrates Google Assistant, Matter and Thread and comes with a voice remote. The Google TV Streamer 4K is more than just a streaming device. It's also a smart home hub. With Google Assistant built in, you can control your smart lights, thermostat and other compatible devices directly from your TV. Just say, "Hey Google," and you can dim the lights for movie night or check the weather forecast. While not its primary focus, the Google TV Streamer 4K offers surprisingly good gaming capabilities. You can access a selection of games through the Google Play Store, and the performance is surprisingly smooth, especially for casual gaming. It's a great way to enjoy fun on the big screen without needing a dedicated games console. The included remote is compact and comfortable to hold. It features dedicated buttons for Netflix and YouTube and a Google Assistant button for voice control. The navigation pad is responsive and the overall design is intuitive. According to Geekbench 5 benchmarking tests, the Google TV Streamer 4K scored 530 in multi-core processing, placing it at number 7 on my list of reviewed devices. Now this score is lower than the FireTVStick 4K Max 2nd generation, which is surprising given the £30 price difference. I will be doing a more in-depth comparison of these devices in the coming weeks. However, the Google TV Streamer 4K ranks higher than Walmart's latest release, the On Google TV 4K Pro. However, it's worth noting that benchmarking tests only test the hardware to its limits and may not reflect real-world performance. Nevertheless, scores can help compare the raw performance capabilities of different devices. The Google TV Streamer is priced at $99 in the US and £99 in the UK. While this is an increase from the previous Chromecast model, the new version offers significant improvements. It is slightly more expensive than the top Fire TV Stick model, but a bit cheaper than the Apple TV 4K. It may be worth waiting for a sale if you're interested in this device, but are unsure about the price. The Google TV Streamer 4K is a solid contender in the streaming world. It delivers a smooth and personalised viewing experience, amazing 4K HDR picture quality, and connects easily with your smart home devices, all in a small and stylish package. Whether you're just watching an episode or going all in for a binge watching session, this device is a nice addition if you're looking to step up your entertainment game. What do you think about the Google TV Streamer 4K? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you'd like to read my full review, which includes a detailed breakdown of the specs and performance, visit my website for more information. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. Don't forget that online privacy and security are more important now than ever before. And NordVPN is an excellent choice. I use it almost every day to help me unblock internet restrictions when streaming, such as this. With NordVPN connected, I can watch the content I enjoy from anywhere. You can easily download and install NordVPN's user-friendly app on all your devices, including Fire Stick, by searching for it in your App Store. With NordVPN, simply connect to any one of their servers to ensure that your online activities are unrestricted and protected from prying eyes and potential cyber threats. The Nord app has some very useful features for your Fire Stick, including threat protection to help keep your device safe from potential security threats by blocking access to malicious websites. Plus, AutoConnect makes connecting to a secure server a breeze by automatically connecting to a network without having to manually do it every time you want to use the internet. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones use your regular internet connection. These settings and features are essential for anyone who wants to have a secure and personalised online experience. Check out the links in the video description for the best deals and try it now completely risk-free for 30 days.